Stop struggling with an underperforming Bunn brewer. If your coffee isn't brewing right, your heating element may be to blame. Welcome to PartsFe. In this video, we break down the most common symptoms of a failing heating element, the core component responsible for heating water and maintaining consistent brewing temperature. A failing element almost always shows early signs, starting with longer brew cycles, where the brewer takes more time than usual to complete a brew because the element isn't reaching optimal temperature. You may also notice cooler or inconsistent coffee output, as even a slight drop in temperature affects extraction and taste. As the problem worsens, more critical signs appear, such as fluctuating temperatures where the brewer heats properly one moment and loses heat the next, or a complete lack of heat indicating a major failure in the element or its electrical pathway. Frequent tripped breakers or blown fuses can point to electrical overload caused by a damaged element. Your senses can offer clues too. Crackling or buzzing sounds near the heating area suggest electrical stress, while steam or leaks around heated components may signal weakened seals or overheating. Before calling a technician, there are basic diagnostics you can try, such as performing a continuity test with a multimeter to check if the element still forms a complete circuit, visually inspecting for burned wires, loose connectors, corrosion, or discoloration, and checking your power source to rule out weak outlets or damaged cords. To prevent future failures, regular descaling, keeping internal components clean, and using proper water quality all help reduce strain on the heating element. For trusted commercial coffee machine replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.